Tonight, the number of new COVID cases climbing dramatically in the Duval County School District.
And now there's concern over the district's contact tracing efforts. Here's where things stand in the 11 days since the district started classes. Duval schools reported just under 500 new cases. That includes 416 students and 76 staff members. Since Monday, the numbers have increased by 200 for students and by 30 for employees. On your sides, Kaylee Tracy is joining us live tonight.
And Kaylee, some parents tell you they weren't told about the cases in their children's schools, right?
They weren't told about those cases, and I brought that question and concerns to the district here, and just as of about 10 minutes ago, they emailed me with new changes in the contact tracing policy. This is breaking news right now. I do want to tell you that a spokesperson tells me since a small amount of COVID cases had been traced with the Department of Health, they said they needed to change that because of these concerns. So now they're implementing two different strategies to better inform families about COVID cases. First of all, the first one is classroom communication. That starts August 25th. If a case impacts an elementary school, families of students in the class will get a letter telling them about the case. They don't have to quarantine, they will just be informed. The second, also starting August 26th, DCPS transitions an elementary school class to online learning if two or more cases impact that class within a 7-day period. That online learning will last 2 to 7 days.
We rolled the dice. We sent them to school. My third grader was exposed.
Jennifer Richardson's third grader is okay, but the mother of 4 with stage 4 metastatic breast cancer tested positive for COVID yesterday.
I have not left my home to go anywhere other than school drop off and pick up. I have groceries delivered. I don't go to restaurant. I have not been anywhere in a year and a half in an effort to avoid this situation.
She says her family thought about doing virtual school, but 3 of her 4 kids are at magnet schools and they would lose their seats there if they did virtual. Richardson says more than a week after her son was exposed, she still hasn't heard from the health department or the school system. She found out through word of mouth. While some parents say their school administrators are telling them when someone tests positive, others say they've heard nothing, like Richardson.
I know that I have cancer, and I know it's important for me to know if my child has been exposed. I don't know how many other moms are out there who are in the same boat. I don't know how many kids are immune compromised. I don't know, and they have a right to know that their kids have been exposed.
So Richardson took it into her own hands, creating Facebook groups for each of her kids' schools for parents to contact trace.
We're trying to keep it as anonymous as possible by using room numbers to indicate classes, not teacher names, not student names.
Other parents have followed her lead, creating pages for other schools.
Because it's the only way that we're going to be able to keep our kids safe and keep other people who are immune compromised safe in a timely manner.
And again, we learned this information about the change in contact tracing policy just about 10 to 15 minutes ago. We're working to update our web story with this information so you can look at it all on there or DCPS's website. For now, reporting live, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.
Kaylee, thank you. Now to a